morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank you for the time given to me to present the result of the paper from Group 7. I am here as a moderator. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elizabeth Rika Siaking. My address, Jalan Suanda, number 64 Lumajang. I am single. I am a new student at Stay Widyagama Lumajang. I work at the Nikisaya Lumajang shop. My hobby is watching movie. In this morning, allow me to give my presentation of business. The definition of business is divided into two, namely, the definition of business in traditional and the definition of business in modern. The definition of business in traditional is simple. It is the barter or the exchange of something wanted needed by somebody. While the definition of business in modern nowadays has more detailed definition. It is the activities of production, distribution, and sell whether good of service to get profit. On this auction, I want to explain about one example of a modern product, namely instant noodles. This instant noodles was produced by PT Wings Food in the years 2015, namely the Cap Success Noodles. The following is a profile of Cap Success instant noodles. One of the new instant noodle product launched around June 2015 is Mi Success, which is a product of one of the larger noodle producer in Indonesia, namely Wingspot.
Hello everybody, good evening. I want to introduce myself. My name is Koriza Priya Fediansa. I want to explain how to make instant noodle. First, we need to mix all of the ingredients that we use. After the ingredients are mixed, then we need to form and noodle doughs to a certain thickness. After that, the dough is steamed. After steam, the dough must be cut according to the mold and fried. The fried noodle are then drained and cooled to a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. This process aims to make the noodle solidify. And the last process, product packaging. Instant noodle must be packaged in a tightly closed container so that my explanation about how to make instant noodle hope you will understand. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me to introduce myself. My name is Libertiana Samoa. You can call me Tiana. I'm from NTT, but now I live in Jalan Suanda, number 64, Lumajang. Now I am a new student at Stay Widyagama, Lumajang. I am still single. My hobby is singing and listening to the music. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this morning, allow me to give my presentation about business. What is business? The definition of business is divided into two. Namely, the definition of business in traditional and the definition of business in modern. The definition of business in traditional is simple. It is the barter or the exchange of something wanted or needed by somebody. While the definition of business in modern now, this has more technical definition. It is the activities of production, distribution, and seawater goods on service to get profit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now I will explain about the distribution of success noodle contents too. What is distribution? Distribution is a marketing activity carried out by distributor or intermediaries to deliver goods or services from producer to consumer. Delivery of goods can also be from producers, industries, or manufacturer to retailers. Wings Food instant noodle brand is Mie Success Contents 2. Mie Success Contents 2 has consistently recorded positive growth since its launch in 2015. This instant noodle brand also claimed to have proved the existence its main competitor in the market. Information obtained by industry.co.id states until now the share of the instant noodle market share in Mie Success Content 2 is 2% with the incumbent at 3%. 1% difference can be achieved in just about 4 years. That is all from me. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Niken Bunga Purwanti. I'm from class 1B3 Akuntansi STIE Widyagama Lumajang. In here I want to tell about one product instant noodle by Mie Success. The first product in the instant noodle division, almost all brands in the portfolio are refreshed with new campaigns and new product launch. And then price. Price in determining the price of instant noodle in the food identified to target markets, namely the upper middle class and then lower middle class. Meanwhile, for the downward target in the food launch, Mie Sukses Isi 2 and Sarimi. And the pricing strategy use one to same pricing strategy as the first competition. And then place. The long distribution channels and share throughout Indonesia make instant noodle product from indie food very easy to find in both supermarket and grocery stores. And then promotion. Promotion with mass promotion using attractive advertising. Mie Sukses Isi 2 strive to install the product brand in consumer so that its position is stronger in the consumer brand image. Apart from electronic media, Indie Food also promotes by making Indomie a sponsor of major event. Whatever broadcast live on television or not. Indie Food also held various events and competition to attract the public next and instill a good image of the company. For example, Mie Sukses Isi 2 held an event to make a song jingle. And then, so now Indie Food has started to provide to some skill education. So that is promising by instant noodle mie sukses isi 2. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.